If your behind-the-ear hearing aid is not producing sound or the sound is muffled, there are some troubleshooting techniques you can try at home. First, restart the device by opening and closing the battery door, making sure the door is firmly shut. The hearing aid is switched on when the battery door is closed. You may need to wait up to 15 seconds for the hearing aid to turn on. If the door does not close, you may have inserted the battery upside down. Take the battery out, turn it over, and place it back in the door. The door should now close with ease. To test if the hearing aid is working, cup the hearing aid in your hand. If you or someone with you hears a whistling sound, similar to this one, your hearing aid is producing sound and is ready for use. If you don't hear a whistling sound, the next step is to replace the battery. To replace the battery, open the battery door and remove the battery. If the battery is stuck, gently tap it with a cleaning stick. Take a new battery from the packet. Using a magnetic tool like this one may make it easier. Remove the protective sticker. Place the battery in the door and close the door, making sure it is firmly shut. As you did earlier, test the hearing aid by cupping it in your hand and listen for a whistling sound. If there's still no sound, our audiology professionals are ready to help. Contact your local Specsavers or book a hearing aid repair appointment online.